Welcome back to sailingnv, where we're refitting an Open 60, originally designed and raced in the Vendée Globe. One of our biggest jobs was to repair our 9-metre carbon fibre boom. In the last video we cut the boom in 2 pieces and made a mould of the profile so that we could start building a sleeve, which will be used to glue the boom back together.
You can see the fibre inside from one.
In this video we carry out several more laminations of this sleeve. The boom is an important part of the boat, which needs to be capable of handling extreme loads, so it's vital that we make this repair strong and that these laminations go well.
Yeah. That is a big problem. So now we need to find one solution.
Let's start by checking out how the first lamination we did in last week's video turned out.
Now, it's already 7 hours. Be in a vacuum all time. It's the really first time this year I do one job in a vacuum, so nice. We go to see what's happening inside. It's very hard. Exactly profile of the boom. Now we try to remove the mosquito net. Net is only for aeration. You can see the fiber inside from how much inside. Now the micro hole. So hard. Okay, now you fly. It's nice. Oh, so rigid. There's only 1 millimeter of carbon. So rigid.
In this first lamination, Timo laminated about 1,000 grams per metre squared of carbon, yet after the vacuum process, this only amounts to about 1 millimetre of thickness.
The second lamination, very hard, very tight. There is no space. This is really we keep very low, but not full. There's many there, and yeah, it's very tight. It would be very strong. It's absolutely not bad. Just a little bit flexion, but we had only a couple of millimeters. That is, I think, make me crazy. For do 1 centimeter, I have to laminate all carbon I have. Yesterday I put many layers.
After laminating another 1,000 grams per metre squared of carbon, we've now got 2 millimetres of thickness.
That is the thing, why the field ply have the red stripes. It's because without red stripes you don't go to find where start or where finish. I think I have to remove the cardboard. If I don't remove now the cardboard, I never go to manage to remove the cardboard. bellissimo. It's so strong. The form is very nice. Unbelievable. It's beautiful. Now, thickness is nothing. It's nothing. That was the crazy thing. Don't breathe. Don't breathe. Now I want to show you how beautiful it is. Acetone.
When comparing the sleeve with the profile of the boom once more after all these laminations, we found that the vacuum process had compressed the shape of the two ends of the sleeve slightly, so Timo added a couple of strips of foam to these ends and then some filler to correct the shape and make it smooth. Now we're preparing for the third lamination, and here you can see the pre-cut strips of carbon. First, we completely wet the strips of carbon with epoxy. We laminate alternatively unidirectional strips and then bidirectional strips, one on top of the other, until we have 6 layers, 3 unis and 3 bis. We then add a layer of vacuum bag on the top and bottom and squeeze all the air out to slow the catalyzation down. This allows Timo to transport all the layers at once without getting his hands dirty. It also allows him to cut the desired form more easily.
Still wet and soft. You see on the bags it's perfect. Prepare the peel ply. Bike rule. It's very important is a tight with no pants. Really close. Italian style. Now. The vacuum pump. The butylic tape is a pain in the ass. If you remove all the sticker too early, we are really. This is one of the access of air. For that is better to prepare another 2 pieces of butylic on the corner. We are close. Up to now I'm very happy. You see I prepare one bridge. This bridge is made like this. One really like this. Tack. Bags. Here one big leak, tack. Yeah, we feeling. Yeah. Fibre. That is a big problem because no, it's the bags. The bags explode the bags. And now we need to find one solution. Dimmi che vuoi try to a vacuum. Pass me the butylic. Okay, help me. Keep in tension like this. Guarda, pull, Ooh. Okay, we need more space. Yeah, but we need to see because we have to refitting like this.
Should I turn it up?
Yeah. There is too much space, no?
The vacuum bag had imploded as there was too much space between the plastic pipe and the sleeve, so we removed the pipe and inserted an extra vacuum bag around the whole thing.
Okay, this one is ready. Let me check. Can we prepare the stretch on the opposite side? Anzi, you know what? This one we can stitch. This one we stitch like this. Yeah, it's very difficult because here there is a plenty of gas. Go to the perfect. It's perfect. We managed. Okay. Getting big leak. Not enough. Okay, via, via. No. Stop. Solo. Sei un cane cazzo. Dai, silenzio. Solo. We do the vacuum, cazzo, solo!